Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Y6s, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the device. So, to start off, you want to pinch the screen like so. And you'll see these couple options right here, so tap on wallpapers. And it will bring you all the preloaded wallpapers. You can tap on more, next, agree. And you can choose either one of them. Now, there's not many wallpapers here, I see. So it looks like there's only 4 preloaded wallpapers. You can tap on them to view how they look like. And once you're satisfied, you can also move them around to get a different placement. As you can see. You also have a blur effect if you wish to make it a little bit blurry. And once you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can tap on the check mark, and then it'll give you option where you want to set it. So you have option lock screen, home screen, or both. So as an example, I'm gonna go with both. So on the lock screen and on the home page, I will have this wallpaper. So that is how you would change it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.